opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, would you capture it? Or just let it slip? His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, there's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, bow. It's now back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity, oh, there goes gravity. Choke his soul now, but he won't give up that easy. No, he won't have it, he knows his whole back to these ropes. Don't matter, he's dope, he knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant, he knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again. Yo, this whole rhapsody, better go capture this moment of hope. Oh, you better lose yourself in the music and more make you want it. You better never let it go. Only get one shot, do not miss a chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Lose yourself in the music and more make you want it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss this chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmodern. Only grows harder, homie grows harder. He blows, it's all over, these hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows, he's known as the globetrotter. Lonely roads, God only knows he's grown farther from home, he's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But hold your nose, cause here goes the cold water. These hoes don't want him no more, he's cold product. They moved on to the next show, but close he knows, dove and sold nada. So the soap opera is told in unfolds. I suppose it's old partner, but the beat goes on to the dawn. You better lose yourself in the music and more.